In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a layout grid in WordPress. This updated process is straightforward and should only take you a few minutes. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out with WordPress, adding a layout grid can make your content more visually appealing and easier to navigate for your readers. Let's begin by heading over to wordpress.com. Starting here ensures you're in the right place for accessing all the functionalities WordPress offers. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed. Logging into your account is essential as it allows you access to edit your site and customize it. After clicking login, you will notice several sign-in options. For this walkthrough, we'll select Continue with Google. This method is popular because it's secure and saves time. Once you've clicked Continue with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account connected to your WordPress site. Selecting the correct account will direct you to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look for the quick links on the right panel of your dashboard. Under quick links, there is an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this option to open your site's editing interface. This step takes you to the section where the magic happens and where you can customize your site as you desire. Next, while in the editing interface, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You should see an Add button, which is essential for adding different types of blocks to your site. Go ahead and click on this Add button. It will open up a menu with various block options. Once the menu is open, you'll need to search for the layout grid block. To do this, simply type layout grid into the search bar at the top of the menu. The search function is incredibly useful for quickly locating specific blocks among the many options available. When layout grid appears in the search results, click on it. By selecting the layout grid block, you will be able to add a grid layout to your page wherever you see fit. This feature allows for a neat arrangement of content, making your site look organized and professional. And there you have it. Adding a layout grid to your WordPress site is as simple as that. With these steps, you can now enhance the visual appeal of your website's content layout efficiently. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Happy blogging!